help with
something.
collocation.
With that?
You need help with?
Helping me with this.
I can help you with that.
Help with the
Help with my phobia.
Help me with the help with the pain.
Yes, help me in with it. It'll help with the
I'll
ache.
help you with.
يساعد فشيء أو فعمل.
Pretty well polluting my days and nights if you really want to know.
doing part of
Well,
the
how much have you
work by
written out?
providing advice,
Not one
money, support,
Creative
etc.
problems, huh? Yeah. Well, I suppose I can help you with that. Just this once. Oh, no. You don't even know what it is.
Still dealing.
Brother, I am. Well, I suppose I can help you with that. Just this once. I can help you with that. I can help you with that. I can help you with that.
The water reclaimer, the atmospheric regulator. Bring that all with me. And luckily I have the greatest minds on planet Earth. Really all of the brain power on the entire planet helping me with this endeavor. And so far they've come up with, hey, why don't you drill holes in the roof of your Really all of the brain power on the entire planet helping me with this endeavor. And so helping me with this endeavor. And helping me with this endeavor.
Need help with that?
No, thanks.
Need help with that? Need help with that?
We're on bedtime to stick to. Let's go. Come on.
That's very kind of you.
What is it with this dress of yours?
Oh, do you like it?
Oh, it's just...
I gathered the silk from my silkworm friends and I spun it into thread on my spinning
You
wheel.
made it all by yourself?
Well, the mice and rabbits did help with the sewing.
They're good.
Some rabbits did help with the sewing.
Rabbits did help with the sewing. Did help with the sewing.
Help with this.
Something you need help with? Hey, you gotta... Something you needed help with? Something you needed help with?
That's because I like to talk a lot, and I used to do cognitive behavioral therapy to help with my phobias. To help with my phobias. To help with my phobias.
What are we doing? Shouldn't we check into our hotel right now?
Oh, we canceled your reservation. Family doesn't stay at a hotel. You're going to stay in our home.
Oh, great. What?
Oh, God. You don't want to use your legs to lift that one.
Andrew, help her with those.
I'd love to. She won't let me do anything. She insists on doing it all herself. She's one of those, she's feminist.
Andrew, help her with those.
I'd love to. She won't let me do anything.
Andrew, help her with those.
I'd love to. She won't let me do anything.
Andrew, help her with those.
Here. It's from Grandmother Willow's bark. It'll help with the pain.
What pain? I've had worse pain than this.
It'll help with the pain.
To know if her heart is still with me.
That I cannot help you with. But that I cannot help you with.
That I cannot help you with.
Here. Put it on your arm. What's this? It'll help with the ache. It'll help with the ache. It'll help with the ache. It'll help with the ache.